Let's learn how to divide the number 204 by 2 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 2. We know that 2 times 1 is equal to 2. Subtract, we get 0. Now this 0 is less than 2, so we need to bring down this adjacent 0 here. Look that this is the number 0. So we will remove 1 0. Now although this 0 is less than 2, as we have brought down this 0 here, so we need to divide it. We know that 2 times 0 is equal to 0. Subtract, we get 0. Now in this case, we will bring down this adjacent 4 here. But look that this is the number 4. So we will remove this 0. And we know that 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Subtract, we get 0. As we get the number 0 and we have no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 204 divided by 2 is equal to 102. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe our channel.